The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is here, sleeker, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Spend a bit of time with it, and here are my first impressions, hands-on thoughts, and a breakdown of the new specs that make this Samsung's most refined foldable yet. Let's first start with the design. The Fold 7 is thinner and lighter than the Fold 6 at just 8.9 millimeters when folded and just 4.2 millimeters thick when unfolded, weighing in at 215 grams. The hinge is sturdier and the crease way less noticeable this year. And now it has an IP48 water resistance with Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 on the cover screen and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back. You get that gorgeous 8-inch main AMOLED display with up to 2600 nits of peak brightness, making it way more usable in direct sunlight. The cover screen is now 6.5-inch AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh rate. It also has thinner bezels and improved responsiveness. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite for Galaxy, 12 gigs of RAM, and up to 1 terabyte of storage. And yeah, it flies. One UI 8.0 with Android 16 runs super smooth, and the Fold exclusive multitasking features are even more polished than ever. The rear camera setup may look familiar, but now it has the 200 megapixel main shooter, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. But the real difference is in the processing, especially in low light and with better AI scene recognition. The under-display camera has been replaced with a usable 10 megapixel hole punch camera, which is great for video calls. You get a 4400 milliamp hour battery with 25 watts of fast charging, 15 watts of wireless charging, and 4.5 watts of reverse wireless charging. With the enhanced features and power efficiency with the 8 Gen Elite processor, this is an all-day phone. So far, battery life seems to be improved, especially thanks to that Snapdragon Elite chipset and the One UI 8 optimizations, as I said earlier. So what's the verdict so far? The Z Fold 7 doesn't reinvent the foldable, it redefines it. Better hinge, brighter display, lighter design, and that buttery smooth performance makes this a serious upgrade. If you're coming from the Galaxy Z Fold 3, 4, or 5, I definitely recommend upgrading. I'll be testing this more over the next few weeks, especially the camera and battery. But first impressions, this might be the most polished foldable yet. Let me know what you want to see in the full review down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fold 7 content.